This is the question found in the booklet. In fact, the handouts I give you for those who had gone through the 5 series of problem solving here, series 3, where we were discussing some of the thinking skills, and this comes under what is called strategies of solving problems. You can turn to page here. You have page 8 of series 1, okay, of the program. You remember that I gave you the list, the notes on strategies of solving problem by Polya. Okay, right now, and the question is found in the booklet series 3, and this is page 19. Okay, all right. Basically, I'm not going to discuss in length, in detail, about the strategies of solving problem, which is one of the most important skills in problem solving, but I'm just going to touch on a very important part in strategies of solving problem, where you are supposed to know what are the given informations, and then you put all the given information in the diagram. Remember, I was telling you that whenever you are given this type of problem, you make sure you fill up everything in the diagram, those information or data that are given in the problem, so that you can see the problem situation better. Okay, all right. In this case, it's a very simple question. The first part is just to find PA. Here you're given that PA OP is 12, and you're given the ratio that OP is 2:3. Okay, now I would like you to try this. You can pause my video. All right, you have your own computer or your laptop or PC. You can try this, and then we can check together. Okay, please do it. All right, so I think we already checked, go through with the problems. Yeah. Now, the first part of the problem is to find PA. What are the given information? Given that the sector AOB, this is supposed to be AOB, a sector of a circle, center O. Center O, PQ is perpendicular to OB. So this is perpendicular to OB. And here that you're given that OP is 12 cm, and angle AOB is pi/3. This is pi/3. Now, you're given that OP is 2:3. It means that if this is 2 parts, then this O to A is 3 parts. And simple arithmetic, in fact, shows you that if 2 parts represent 12 cm, 1 part represent how many? Yes, 6 cm. So this is, if you divide into 3 parts, this make up 2 parts, which is 12 cm, and each part is 6, and therefore this one must be 6 cm. So the first part of the question is to be solved. PE equals to 6 cm. Right? Now, next part of the question is to find the perimeter. Alright, I'm going to write off this. I hope you have already gone through the problems. Now, next part is to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, all you have to do is to find the value of, you can find, in fact, length of PQ. Yes, the length of PQ. Perimeter, I put T as perimeter. P, so PQ equals to, PQ plus PA PQ plus PA. PA you know is 6, and AB is the arc, and plus QB, right? QB is this one. Alright, now of course you can find this one first, E1, or you want to find QB, right? Now the whole thing is 18. Okay, here to show is 18, here to show is also 18, right? Now, so you know it's 18, so if you can find OQ, then you can find QB, right? So to find OQ, you use what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. This is the adjacent and hypotenuse. So you can use what? You can use cos. So cos pi over 3 equals to OQ over 12, which is equals to OQ equals to 12 times cos 6 pi over 3 is cos 60 degrees, you know, because pi radian is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore you have pi over 3 means you have divide by you have to, if you divide by 3 here, you have to divide by 3 here to get 60 degrees. That's why I can put at pi over 3 written as 60 degrees. So 12 times cos 60, you've checked, will be 1 over 2, cos 60, 1 over 2, OQ. Therefore OQ equals to 6 cm. Therefore this is 6 cm. And if you know this is 6 cm, all the length of OB is 18. Therefore 18 minus 6 equals to 12. So you know now that the value of QB equals to 18 minus 6 equals to 12 cm. So QB is 12 cm. It's 12 cm. Now next is to find what? You can find the value of OQ or QB, right? Or AB. You can find AB. AB equals to using r theta. R is the radius, 18 times pi. Theta is pi over 3. So you got the value here as 6 pi. 6 pi, if you calculate using your calculator, you will find that it is equals to 18.85. 18.85. So I know AB 18.85. Okay. Right. Now I'm now finding the parameter of the shaded region. I'll continue here. So in the next, I find PA. PA is already found to be 6, right? This is 6 PA. All I need is to find PQ. PQ is opposite this angle over the hypotenuse. So you can use sine pi over 3 equals to PQ over 12. So for PQ equals to 12 sine pi over 3 or sine 6. You can also check for sine 60 degrees. 12 times by sine 60 degrees. You use your calculator and you should get PQ as 10.39. 10.39. This is 10.39. You add up together, you will find that the answer should be 47.2. So the answer is 47.2. Add up all this, use your calculator, your answer should be 47.2. Right? And for the next part of question C, you are to find the area of the shaded region. So it's very simple. Alright, you can just copy down this quickly, or you can pause and then you can copy down. Alright, now next question is to find the area. Very simple. The area is just finding the whole area of sector, which is what is it? What is the area of sector? R theta, half r squared theta, where theta is in radian. half r squared theta. R squared is 18 times 18. Theta is pi over 3 minus the area of the triangle, half base times height. The height is equal to, you already found out that PQ equals to what? 10.639, right? 10.39. So you use your calculator, you find the area. Your answer should be 138.5. Right? So this is just a method of using calculators. The idea is to use thinking skills. This is quite a simple questions on circular measure. All right, you have more challenging questions, but this is just okay for a start, right? And have a look at that. You can pause and then you can rewind and play again, and you try to understand the problem. The point is that you have to learn something from the problem that you solve. So mathematics is not just about getting answers, but learning something from what you have solved.